Welcome to Alpha Gun Review. In today's video, we will look at 6 pistols that are considered to be perfect replacements for Glock, or even better in overall performance. This list is ranked from number 6 to number 1 based on build quality, accuracy, reliability, and shooting power. If you enjoy firearm content and want to see more, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you will not miss our next reviews. Number 6. CZ75. In 6th place is the CZ75, a legendary pistol from the Czech Republic. First introduced in 1975, it remains strong thanks to its full steel frame and Browning-style linkless cam action. The CZ75 usually fires 9x19mm parabellum rounds with a standard 15-round magazine, but upgraded versions like the CZ P09 can hold up to 19 rounds. The 4.6-inch barrel improves accuracy and reduces recoil during rapid fire. Muzzle velocity is around 1,200 feet per second, producing more than 450 joules of energy, enough to penetrate targets beyond 25 meters with stability. The grip design is ergonomic and the weight balance makes it comfortable for long shooting sessions. It is a solid choice for both self-defense and sport shooting. Market price is about $700 to $800 USD. Number 5. STI 2011. At number 5 is the STI 2011, a modern take on the classic 1911 design built for competitive shooting and high-speed tactical use. It uses a single-action trigger that is light and responsive, giving shooters excellent control in fast shooting. The STI 2011 can be chambered in .45 ACP or 9mm and has larger magazine capacity than the traditional 1911. Ranging from 15 to 20 rounds. The barrel length is usually 5 inches or more for high accuracy. The hybrid steel and polymer frame keeps the weight down while maintaining strength. When firing .45 ACP rounds, it delivers around 500 to 600 joules of energy, which is more powerful than most Glock models. The STI 2011 is known for its excellent build quality and is favored by professional shooters. Prices range from $2,000 to $3,000 USD. Number 4. Walther PDP. In 4th place, we have the Walther PDP, a modern German pistol praised for its outstanding trigger and control. It uses 9mm ammunition with magazine capacity from 15 to 18 rounds depending on the version. Barrel lengths range from 4 to 5 inches. Offering impressive accuracy. The slide has deep front serrations for easy operation, even with gloves or wet hands. Muzzle velocity is about 1,200 feet per second, with energy around 450 to 480 joules, matching or slightly exceeding the Glock 17. It is optics ready for mounting red dot sights, improving tactical capability. The PDP has low recoil and a smooth shooting feel, making it a strong competitor. Market price is about $650 to $750 USD. Number 3. Heckler Koch VP9. At number 3 is the Heckler Koch VP9, also known in Europe as the SFP9. This is a striker-fired 9mm pistol built for safety and smooth shooting. It has magazines that hold 15 to 17 rounds, a 4.1-inch barrel, and a Picatinny rail for accessories. Muzzle velocity is about 1,200 feet per second with 450 joules of energy. One of its main strengths is the adjustable grip panels in 3 sizes, allowing it to fit different hand shapes. The trigger is light and crisp, which many shooters feel is smoother than most Glock triggers. The VP9 is also known for extreme reliability and works well in various environments. Prices range from $700 to $850 USD. Number 2. Heckler Koch 30. Second place goes to the Heckler Koch 30, a tactical style 9mm pistol with DA action and a convenient decocker. It comes with a standard 15-round magazine and a 3.85-inch barrel, giving it excellent handling while maintaining accuracy. Muzzle energy is around 450 joules with a velocity of over 1150 feet per second. The grip can be customized in both width and length using interchangeable panels, providing maximum comfort. The rail system allows mounting lights or lasers, making it a versatile combat tool. The durability and reliability of the 30 have been proven in harsh conditions, and it is a top choice for many European police units. Price is about $800 to $950 USD. Number 1. Sig Sauer P320 M17. First place goes to the Sig Sauer P320, the pistol that beat many competitors, including Glock, to become the standard sidearm of the U.S. military under the M17 and M18 names. It stands out with a fully modular design, allowing easy changes to frame size, barrel length, caliber, and color. The most common version is chambered in 9mm with a 17 to 21 round magazine and a 4.7-inch barrel for excellent accuracy. Muzzle velocity is about 1,200 feet per second with over 450 joules of energy. The trigger is smooth, light, and quick to reset, making rapid fire easy. The P320 has proven its reliability through hundreds of thousands of rounds in military testing. With a price of about $600 to $800 USD, it is the top choice if you want a pistol that is more versatile, powerful, and dependable than a Glock. These are 6 pistols that can match or surpass Glock in overall performance. Each one has its own strengths, from accuracy and customization to battlefield reliability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Alpha Gun Review so you do not miss our upcoming reviews. Which one of these pistols is your favorite? Leave a comment below and let us know.